In this video, we only have one term to define, and I went ahead and drew in a model before I started the video so you wouldn't have to sit and watch me fight with that thing. Pretend those are squares. I know they're not exactly, but let's pretend that they are. So area is labeled with a capital A. Area is the number of square units. And a unit can be anything. Feet, miles, inches, centimeters, millimeters, whatever. The number of square units needed to cover a given space. We've looked at circumference, the distance around, or perimeter is the distance around. Area is the distance across or over. It is always found by multiplying something. So if you're going to do area, you must know how to multiply. Multiply. I can't talk and write. So in this model, I want you again to pretend that these are square units and that it's 6 units this way. It's 3 units this way. So how many of these little squares would it take to cover the whole unit, the whole rectangle? Well, if you can see a model, you can just count the squares to know that area is 18 square units. You can't always count. You can't see the model, or sometimes imagine if one side were 1,000 square units. You would have to draw a very big model. So multiplying is the way to go. If you multiply 6 times 3, you will get that 18 square unit area. So we're going to use formulas for these, but for right now, I just want you to know the concept of area.